Noise is defined as unwanted sound.
It actually burns in the ears. You got sirens.
Can be harmful to health.
Noise pollution is making us deaf and killing us slowly. But we never consider this as something bad because we have been living and exposed to it through our whole life. But did you know? It can cause insomnia, hypertension, or even worse, hearing loss.
Ramai pekerja di Malaysia dibelenggu dengan masalah pendengaran akibat terdedah pada bunyi bising di tempat kerja.
Bunyi bising mesin pemotong kayu yang membingitkan.
Lebih 1,000 pelajar sekolah kebangsaan Jalan Geni 1 dan 2 menjadi pekat setiap hari akibat dihidangkan dengan bunyi bising dan terberat dari tapak pembinaan.
Today, the researchers have been working out on a smart material that can reduce and control the noise pollution. How is it possible? Let us hear some explanation from one of the researchers.
Have you ever wear headphones, but when your buddy want to talk to you, you cannot hear them?
Ready? What?
More risky, wearing headphones while crossing the road and not hearing the sound of incoming car? When you want to have a rest at home, but suddenly there's a loud noise coming from construction?
Construction 8:30 at night. Woo! They're just going right at it. There's nothing I can do. 8:30 at night. Nothing I can do.
No, there's something you can do.
Sound insulation is the common technology being used. This is because human limit noise level is 70 decibels, and continued exposure will eventually harm your hearings. So, sound insulation creates sound damping that helps reduce the transfer of noise. The idea is by using double layer or thick and denser building materials that cost you thousands to build soundproof material. In fact, why do we need to reduce when we can actually control the noise?
We are now working on this smart material that can control and reduce the noise according to our needs.
This is the features of our invention. We have this smart foam that composed of magnetic particles and porous absorber matrix.
The structure feels like a sponge. It is flexible, durable, and high elasticity. Its porous structure making it lightweight and suitable for aircraft industry. It is also active, sensitive, and fast responsive towards magnetic field, which is good for sensor devices. The most interesting part, it offers controllable sound absorption by shifting range of frequency when magnetic field is manipulated. First, speaker is placed in the middle of the mold. Then, insert the coil to supply external magnetic field. Then, record the reading of sound level meter with fixed thickness, constant frequency, and current supply. Surprisingly, when magnetic field is increased, it absorbs more sound, thus the readings are getting lower.
This is the tunable sound absorption testing. The magnet was placed after the MR foam in the impedance tubes, and the loudspeaker generate the planes of sound waves which arrive at the samples and are reflected. And the findings shows that the addition of magnet created a shifting effect of the frequencies. This means MR foam is reacted to the magnet, and it is a promising candidate to be used as a tunable noise control materials. Interestingly, the structural properties of MR foam are also influenced by the magnetic field. The pores have elongated with the presence of magnet.
This is what happens when magnet is applied to the following foams. As you can see, the magnet will attract the magnetic particles inside the magnetic foam. So, when we apply this MR foam in the insulator, energy and sound that pass through the MR foam will be absorbed and diverted according to the tunable magnetic field strength. Isn't it fascinating to have a future sound absorption material with only one thickness, but we can control noise according to our requirements? As for example, if we apply this material in the headphone as a semi-active material, we can actually reduce the unwanted noise but still able to hear people talking to us. So what does the public think about this invention? Have you ever try or know someone that use noise cancelling headphone?
Tak tahu.
Tak pernah.
Tak pernah dengar.
Pernah kot.
I know a lot of people who use the headphone.
Bahaya sebab satu dia just fokus dia punya pendengaran.
Cannot aware of the situation surrounding us.
Benda tu kuat tak dengar. So kalau kereta datang, dia agak risiko lah untuk kita.
Sebab dia menghadkan kita punya pendengaran lah.
So do you think it is necessary for us to have a new smart material that can help us control the noise according to our needs?
Satu inovasi yang bagus lah pada saya lah, kalau dapat diwujudkan.
Satu teknologi yang baru mungkin boleh.
Maybe yes.
Penting.
Yeah, very important, of course.
Penting lah. So, kalau ada teknologi tu bagus lah.
So kalau dia beneficial untuk orang, okey lah.
Boleh juga, boleh cuba kan, try.
Orang yang dah berumur ni, itu je lah. Dan kos tu kena rendah.
There's a non-custom tools in the market that can be controllable.
It will be boost your concentration.
And use people like anywhere and then anything in every hours that using we should be.
Foam for me smartly manipulate the magnetic energy. It's much cheaper and straightforward solution.
By using MR foam, we can cut costs but produce high quality sound insulator.